In this video, I'll show you how to set a video ringtone on any Android phone in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open up Play Store and search video ringtones. Select this Love Video Ringtone app. Select the install option. After the installation done, select open it. Just close this ads. Select the language and select tick. Select this next, again next, and again next, next. And now give the necessary permissions. Select the set option in caller ID and select video ringtone app and select set as default. Phone permission select set and select here video ringtone and turn on this allow notification and select allow and go back. Draw video, just select set option. General permission, select the set option and select while using the app and select allow allow and select continue. And now we are in the app, guys. In here select the call buttons option and you can choose whatever button you like. I'm going with this icon. After selecting the icon, select the set option and it's going to be saved. Just close the ad and actually it's set. Go back and select the videos option. Here you can able to see default videos. You can select either one of these or you can select from your gallery. Select from gallery option, select it and select the video you want. Now you can select the timeline you want. Select this icon to make it full screen. Then select the tick icon. And this is the video. When someone calls you, it shows like this. Select the set theme option and you can select any one of the individual person or you can select for all contacts. I'm going to select all contacts. Just close the ads. Video set successful. And if you want to turn off the video, you can turn off by just turning off this option, guys, video ringtone. And I'm show you guys exactly what you see when someone calls you. Select the preview option and this is exactly what you see if someone calls you. And that's how you can set video ringtone on any Android phone. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.